United Music Lover International Adventure, please join me.
Joining.
Everything I do it for you. Sana all. Look into my eyes, you will see what you meant to me. Search your heart, search your soul, and we find me there. You search no more.
Don't tell me it's not worth dying for. You can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I
Tulad mo.
do it for you.
As in,
Loving to your heart, you will find there's nothing there to hide. Take me as I am, take my life. I will give it all, I would sacrifice.
don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Oh yeah. There is no love like your love, and no other could give all love. There is no one, there is no there all the time, all the way. Look into your heart, baby.
Oh, you can't tell me it's not worth dying for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more.
Yeah, I would fight for you. I'd lie for you. Walk the wire for you. Yeah, I'd die for you. You know it's true. Everything I do. Ooh, I do it for you. Thank you for joining. United Music Lover International Adventure, please join me. Ayan. Sigaw ng puso. Sumisigaw ba ang puso mo? Ayan. Huwag nating pasigawin. Hayaan nating sumaya. Mahal, tandaan mo lahat ng sasabihin ko. Naniniwala ako na tunay ang pag-ibig mo.
Siyempre naman.
Huwag lang pansinin ang nasa paligid mo. Isipin mo, ika'y minamahal ko. Talaga lang ha.
kundi ikaw lamang hiling. Tanging ikaw lamang ang buhay.
Salamat. Kahit ano pa ang nakaraan mo, walang sino mang makapagbabago. Tapat ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, giling ko.
Kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila, hindi hadlang sa hangarin ko. Pagkat na pag-ibig, ikaw
Ako nga lang ba talaga? Ibig ko sa'yo'y paglalaban ko. Hindi mahalaga magdusa man ako.
Tanging pangarap
Na ano?
ay ang pag-ibig mo, giling. Ikaw lagi, ikaw
Salamat.
ko.
Kahit ano pa ang nakaraan mo, walang sino mang makapagbabago. Tapat ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, giling ko.
Kahit ano pa ang sabihin
Talaga?
nila, hindi buwat lang sa hangarin ko. Pagkat na
Salamat.
pag-isigaw ng puso.
Ako nga lang ba talaga ang sinisigaw? Baka naman pag wala ako, iba naman yung sinisigaw. This is free ad lib. Ayan, sagutin mo yung mga sinasabi ko ha. Kahit ano pa ang nakaraan mo, walang sino mang makapagbabago. Tapat ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, giling ko. Kahit ano pa ang sabihin